Hey, it's Gabe with API Nation. Today I'm going to show you how you can sync Dotloop to Dubb so that all the contacts you're doing business with, anybody who got involved in a transaction, automatically gets synced to Dubb. You can take them through an awesome video message campaign to walk them through that transaction and to stay in contact and stay top of mind even when the transaction is finished. It's super easy to set up. Let me show you how. First thing we're going to do is go to apination.com. Once there, I'm going to click on Discover Connections. Here you're going to see all the different connections you can make here and automate some of your business. I'm going to scroll on down until I get to Dotloop. There we go. Click on that. Here you'll see all the Dotloop integrations available to set up at API Nation. All these are super easy to set up. If you see any of these other logos that you're using, go ahead and click through and you're going to be able to automate those processes as well. We're going to go with Dubb today. And you can see the available sync is Dotloop into Dubb. So I'm going to activate that sync. And now all I have to do is connect the app. So I'm going to first connect Dotloop simply by signing in and approving the connection. And now for Dubb, I'll click this button. And you can see there's a bit of instruction here on how to get this Dubb connection going. But it's pretty simple. I'm just going to click this link that says Dubb API token. That's going to take me right to the page on my Dubb account where that API token would live. It looks like I haven't yet created one, so I'm going to go ahead and click this Create New Token button, and I'll name this API Nation. And hit Create. There's my token. So I'm going to highlight that by hitting Command A or Control A, and then Control C to copy. And now I'm going to go back to API Nation, click in that token, and hit Control V to paste it in there. There you go. You can see that long string is now in there. And now I just need a connection label. This is just your name, your business name, your office name, whatever, so you know which connection this is. Great. Now I'm going to hit connect. All right, so we signed into Dotloop to make that connection. We added the token from Dubb to make that connection. Now we're all ready to go ahead and activate this sync. You can see there's a few configuration options. I'm just going to walk you through them real quick. First, you can sync all people from Dotloop. That means every contact you currently have in Dotloop can be sent over to Dubb when you start this thing up. If instead you prefer to only send over contacts you add or modify from today going forward, so you only want future contacts sent over to Dubb, go ahead and leave this box unchecked. I want everybody in Dubb. I want to start sending videos to everybody I know, staying top of mind. So I'm going to go ahead and sync all people. As they come over to Dubb, do I want to overwrite the information in Dubb, or do I want to just fill in the blanks? I'm going to go ahead and fill in the blanks. So I'm going to check that box. Finally, we're going to come down here to mapping, and you can see we do most of this for you. Email, first name, last name. This all looks great. If there's anything else you want to send over, for example, you can see we have mobile phone here, but maybe I also want to add another phone number here in this phone field. So I can add home phone here. That's great. There's also an awesome trick here where you can add multiple phone numbers and then prioritize it based on what you think is most important. For example, phone field in Dubb makes a lot of sense, but maybe you've been putting stuff in home phone, or maybe you've been putting stuff in office phone. You're not sure which one it is. So what you're going to do, put them all in the phone field, hit this gear, and hit fields priority. Now you're just going to arrange these by priority. For example, if they have a mobile phone, that mobile phone number will go in there. If they don't have a mobile phone number, then we'll see if they have a home phone number. If they do, that'll go in there, and so on to office phone. Really great, really easy way to make sure the right phone numbers go in the right fields. This looks great. Maybe for tags, I want to add a tab that just says Dotloop. I can do that. That way, everybody who comes over into Dubb from this sync from Dotloop will be tagged Dotloop, so I know where they came from. So I can just add that simple text there, and it'll go ahead and add it as a tag. Activate this sync. Great, and that's it. Now, anytime I add a contact to Dotloop, it's going to send that information over to Dubb. I can start emailing them awesome videos. I can start texting them using that mobile number. It's a great way to stay top of mind or stay in front of your client throughout the transaction. If you have any questions or need any assistance, give us a phone call, shoot us an email. We're API Nation, connecting the world's applications. We love doing this stuff.